Hello guys and welcome to another shoe cleaning video. Today we are featuring a very classic shoe, the VANS Oldskool. So this is a very dirty VANS. So let's go and do this. Okay, so first let us describe the materials for this VANS Oldskool. So this has a canvas upper and that famous white leather strip. The inner sock is also made of leather, as you can see. It has though a suede part. The front toe is suede, also the heel, and it has a vulcanized rubber sole. The outer sole is made out of that famous waffle design. Okay, now to clean the upper, we will need a soft hairbrush. We will also need to revive the suede after we have cleaned it. And for the soles, as you can see, it's also very dirty soles. We're gonna use this hard bristle brush. So we're still gonna use the Clyde Premium for our cleaning. After that, we're gonna apply an odor eliminator to remove all the bad smell from inside of the shoe. Okay guys, so let's go. Okay, hello guys, now that we have removed the laces and the very dirty insoles, we're gonna start first with the upper using our soft hairbrush and our Clyde Premium Cleaner.
Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead.
done with the upper. Now for the vulcanized rubber sole, we're gonna use this hard bristle brush.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always leaving rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weed, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, so in, booty bouncing, don't Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weed, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw in, booty bouncing, don't in.
Okay guys, so we are done with the right shoe. Now let us try to compare the right shoe from the left one. As you can see, so for the soles, it's a really big difference. It's already white. Okay, just a quick tip for you guys. Now when we are dealing with suede and canvas materials, the color will fade when you clean them. As you can see, this is all black. It has transferred to the microfiber towel. So as much as possible, very less water when you are cleaning this kind of shoe, especially the suede part. So you need to wipe off immediately all the water when you're doing this cleaning to really avoid the color to bleed and eventually fade out from your shoe. So we'll do the left shoe next. As you can see, it's all dirty, even the rubberized sole. So let's go.
sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead.
Okay, for the insoles, since it is very dirty, we will use our hard bristles and apply the same method. Okay guys, now for the laces, you just need clean water, put a little Clyde solution, and just use that solution to clean the laces up. Okay guys, so we are done. Now we just need one more step to finish our shoe cleaning for today. Now we will need a suede brush. We will just brush this to the suede part to revive the suede on these kicks. Let's go. Okay, so for using the suede brush, just need to remember that we need to apply it on one direction only. This will actually revive your suede, especially when you accidentally wet the suede, or after cleaning. This is the best way to go. Okay, so you just remember to do it in one stroke, just in one direction. Okay guys, so we are done with our shoe cleaning, and to finalize our shoe cleaning for today, we will apply our Clyde natural odor eliminator to get rid of those smell. And as a bonus tip, you can use this recycled paper, put it inside and let this thing absorb all the wetness in the shoe. Okay, so we are finally done. So as you can see, our Vans Oldskools all cleaned out. So as a summary, for the upper, we used the soft bristle brush together with our Clyde. For the rubberized sole, we used our hard bristles using our Clyde. And we also used this suede brush to revive the suede. Now please do remember to avoid washing them over the laundry. Like I said, this kind of shoe will bleed. So as much as possible, just brush and wipe. Cleaning method. Okay, so hope you guys learned something new today, and I will see you guys soon on our next shoe cleaning video. Bye.